Breaking myths. Learn AI without a computer science degree. Myth. You need a computer science degree to get into AI. Reality. YouTube is all you need. Here are 7 YouTube channels to learn AI for free. 1. Sendex. On this YouTube channel learn machine learning, robotics, game development, finance, etc. Channel, youtube.com/@sendex. 2. Deep Learning AI. On this YouTube channel learn deep learning, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and more. Channel, youtube.com/@deeplearningai. 3. 2-minute papers. On this YouTube channel learn AI developments, latest AI news, AI learning, and more. Channel, youtube.com/@2-minute papers. 4. Stanford Online. On this YouTube channel learn AI developments, computer science, machine learning, and more. Channel, youtube.com/@stanfordonline. 5. 3 Blue 1 Brown. On this YouTube channel learn math with beautiful illustrations. Learn how math can be used practically, math in action and AI. Channel, youtube.com/@3blue1brown/videos. 6. FreeCodeCamp. On this YouTube channel learn machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence, and more. Channel, youtube.com/@freecodecamp/videos. 7. Suraj Raval. On this YouTube channel learn AI development, machine learning, and more. Channel, youtube.com/@surajraval.